Marion, are you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
I am.
Are you ready to see your headlights?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Okay. Oh my God. I can drive at night and not kill anybody.
You can see again. Yay!
And I don't have to drive with my brights on.
Yay!
They're beautiful.
Bam! Boom! Okay, let's look at this one.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the difference. Oh, see, so I always felt guilty when I washed my car. I'd look at the headlights and I'd be like, yikes, those are awful.
Right.
I'm gonna go wash my car right now.
Right.
Yeah.
No, actually, what I want you to... No, what I want you to do now is like just go somewhere at night. I don't care where you go.
Uh-huh.
Just go somewhere and just be out at night.
Yeah.
And like, you know, my wife and I, we call it the monkey face.
Oh my God, they're gorgeous. They are absolutely beautiful. But I had no doubt because I saw the pictures on the website. So I had no doubt. Oh my God, look at this.
You know what's really weird is this thing here.
Yeah.
This gray part.
Right.
I didn't know that was there. You had so much crap on there. You had so much crap on there. I was like, oh, there's a gray area there.
You know
Okay,
what?
I thought it was
didn't
really.
either.
I thought it was really bad. It was, ooh.
What color was it before?
Oh, it was like muddy mustard crap color.
Oh, okay.
You should have saw this stuff coming off it when I was doing the first couple of sandings.
Wow, look how smooth
It was
this
like
is.
it's like I was taking mustard and going.
You know, I was telling people I need new headlights. They're like, yeah, you don't need new headlights. You need those cleaned. So,
Right.
appreciate it.
All right. I'm signing out. I think she's happy.
I'm happy.